Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Insurance Education. My name is Raymond Macmillan, and today is day 6 of 7. Today's video is mainly directed at underwriters who would write jewelers block, or if you are involved with insuring banks, or if you're an intermediary and you have these clients who deal with a lot of cash. This would be directly mainly at you. The world is moving on. Technology is being used in many sectors to enhance cover given, etc. In the world, we can't get away from it. It is here. It's getting sometimes a bit frightening as to where technology is going. But there are many good uses, and I want to take you on a journey with me. It's an article written on the 15th of August, 2021, and it happened in the UK. Was a bank, just to give you a quick summary, and then I can read what the newspaper clipping says. A bank, and the bank deals with a lot of cash. 3 individuals were trying to break in the bank, and the insurer used all the relevant underwriting, as we know how you underwrite banks and how you protect, what protection mechanisms you would put in place, either as a condition or warranty, as I shared yesterday. But guess what? The thieves are moving ahead and thinking as well. But here what's happened in this case, and I'm suggesting that you consider using this technology if you do write those risks, particularly if it involves a lot of cash and also jewelry. The cost of it, is it not worth it? Look at the headline. It's on YouTube if you want to look it up. Drones helped catch bank robbery suspects. Very short paragraph, so bear with me as I read it for you. Nottinghamshire police arrived at Santander Bank in Stockwell Gate, Mansfield at, give the time, 1 a.m. local time, after a security alarm went off, which detected an attempted unauthorized access. Officers were unable to immediately locate the suspects until they decided to engage the police drones, which were equipped for such cases. When the drones got high enough, they immediately began signaling that the 3 suspects were located on the roof. Thermal imaging cameras were able to measure the body temperature of the 3 bank robbery suspects. There's a lot more, and there's even a picture. I wonder if I can show you this. Let's see. Can you see that? Are you seeing the red spots there? That's what the drone was able to do to assist the police, to show them where the suspected robbers were located on top of the roof. I think that's excellent because, ladies and gentlemen, if you are underwriting and you insist that they should have they should have a security system with a police response, used to be Red Care, I think it's upgraded now. The police, that's good, but it is not enough because the alarm went off and they couldn't find the suspects. 2 reasons why I would want to suggest, if it's a lot of cash, the cost of employing some type of drone technology, either through the police as well, or this is an opportunity for some company in the commercial sector to start offering this service to the insurance industry. We have alarm services offering their services to the industry. Why not drone services? And if I'm an underwriter and I'm being asked to insure jewelry block or cash, depending on the amounts, definitely one of my requirements would be for drones. Because when the alarm goes off and nobody is there, you usually say it's a false alarm and you turn around and you go back. The thieves were still on the roof. 2 points. Not only the actual theft of the items, which you would have a theft claim to pay, but remember the policy covers the attempted theft. Therefore, if those robbers got through the roof, you would have to pay to repair the roof, and you can't just repair that small section. You may have to repair an entire, maybe half of the roof, depending on what damages they do to the roof, and also if they got further in, let's say, to the ceiling. Therefore, I'm trying to say there are still costs you may be asked to bear, even if the robbery is not successful. Therefore, why not invest those costs in a drone technology which could pick these these situations up should alarm go off? It's not enough just to have it connected to a security response system. Thieves have moved on. So should underwriting. In tomorrow's video, I'd want to share with you how technology is being used if you do motor couriers or commercial motor vehicles. You may not want to miss that if you underwrite motor insurance. I trust this video is helpful. Let me give you the name again if you want to look it up on YouTube. Just look for the heading. Drones helped catch bank robbery suspects. If you like this video, may we ask you just to click the like button. I would really like underwriters, if you're listening, to click the button and maybe why not give a comment? Is this useful? Can you see this working in your territory? I'd be pleased to get your feedback on this because it's outside the normal discussions from the actual text, etc. But I think it's a good technology, good underwriting tool to add to your existing underwriting measures which you've got. Please, could you just send some comments and let us know how you feel about implementing this? Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a good plan with a lot more interesting videos for you. May we invite you to subscribe because we have a target we are trying to reach at the end of the month. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.